city hasn't broke me yet. Full of lonely people just wandering around for their own mistakes. When you feel like your life's about only things, just stay around looking for the meaning. 너무 피곤해. But I remember how I made it through, and I thought it was cruel before. Then I miss him too. Then my heart beats to die again. If all of me can be at peace, and it's hitting me hard this time. If all of me can feel this free, but I'm making sure nothing owns me or breaks into my soul. I really just need 힘들 때 나도.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, is a cozy decorate with me. I'm going to decorate my mantle cozy for 2024. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I've mentioned before that it is winter here in Australia, so there's definitely some cozy vibes here at Chelle's Glam Home. I believe cozy is all about neutrals, so I'm going to start on my coffee table with this beautiful Studio McGee book.
I miss him too. Then my heart beats to die again. If
I'm then going to add this beautiful bowl, which is from Kmart, and I'm going to add some coffee table coasters. I'm then going to add my absolute favourite pumpkin candle. Now guys, I picked this up last year at TK Maxx and it smells absolutely divine. When I light it, it smells like a baked cookie in my home. It is my favourite candle, and if TK Maxx bring it back again this year, I definitely will be buying a spare one.
그런 사랑이 또 나에게 힘들게 다가온 그대를 아직 너 멀리서 바라봐. It's the same love, it's the real love I need, and it's hitting me hard. It's the same love, it's the real love I need. But I'm making sure nothing owns me or breaks into my soul. I really just need 힘들 때 나도 도망갈래.
Now guys, on my mantle, I'm going to bring in a rustic flower. Now, this is a rustic vase from Spotlight, and I just put a TK Maxx flower inside. Now, I'm also going to add these gorgeous vintage frames. I picked these up from TK Maxx this year, and I went to Etsy and got some beautiful vintage rustic prints. Now, I also picked up this year these beautiful garlands from Temu. Now, I'll leave them linked down below, but I purchased two, and what I did is I intertwined them together and run them across the top of my mantle. Now, my Pottery Barn cushions are my favourite when it comes to cozy, guys, and I'll add one on each side of my benches. Now, at the top of my mantle, I'm going to add this gorgeous ceramic pumpkin, and I'm going to add this blue bow. Now, these bows are from Temu, guys. They're actually hair bows, but I really love how I can decorate with them throughout my home.
빛을 비추는 조각 아닐까요? 사라져가지만 아름다워요. 내리면 마르리
friends prepare for this fall season. I'm so excited to be decorating cozy, guys. It is so cold here in Australia at the moment. On the weekend, we recently had snow, so there is definitely cozy vibes happening.
의미를 찾아 헤매 서글퍼지는 밤이면 어둠 속에 빛을 봐요. 우리에게 아름다움이 뭘까요? 몸을 녹이고 태우며 빛을 비추는 초가 아닐까요? 사라져가지만 아름다워요. 멀어져가는 저 노을처럼.
Guys, nothing symbolises cozy than a hot chocolate by your fireplace. I absolutely love being under a cozy throw and looking at my cozy fireplace and my cozy decor.
그대 미소에 빛이 앉아요. 그대 맘속에 환히 비쳐. 혼자가 아니게 이어지는 그 빛.
Guys, I definitely recommend those garlands from Temu. I would recommend getting 2 of them to give that really pretty fullness, but they are very stunning for the price.
Wonder if you think about me like I think of you.
Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know I have a sweet Shih Tzu called Bella Boo. Now, Bella Boo is the most adorable, guys, and can be found many times sitting at the end of my chase on my favourite throw blanket, sitting by the fire. It's a common joke between me and my hubby that if I bring home a new TK Maxx throw blanket and replace it on the chase, I will guarantee you I will turn my back and Miss Bella will be sitting on top. She is absolutely adorable, guys, and follows me and my hubby all around the home and is so loving.
Got me with pity in your eyes, saying I'm great and that you would like to be my friend. 'Cause you got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you.
Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
Staring at the shadows on the wall.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to share my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
If I had the courage to address you with my speech, yes, if I was brave enough to ask you, I'd ask you if you'd like to run away somewhere with me, a place where we both don't have to run from ourselves. 'Cause
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating cozy.
I've never
I'll be back Friday morning, guys, at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.